guys, I'm Mary with Finance Jar, and today we're talking about how you can remove hard inquiries from your credit report that may be hurting your credit score. Before we get into exactly how to remove them, let's back things up just a bit. First, it's important to understand the difference between a hard inquiry and a soft inquiry. Soft inquiry don't hurt your credit score. They happen when you check your own credit or when someone does a background check on you. For example, if your landlord or employer runs a background check, that creates a soft inquiry. Hard inquiries, on the other hand, do affect your credit. A hard inquiry can appear on your credit report anytime you apply for credit. Maybe you apply for a new credit card or you try to take out a small personal loan. This involves the lender running your credit. It results in a hard inquiry on your report. Hard inquiries lower your credit score by a few points and stay on your report for up to 2 years. The negative effect they have on your credit score usually only lasts for a few months, but can last up to a year. While they're on your report, they make it harder to get approved for new credit cards and loans. So now we know the difference between a soft inquiry and a hard inquiry. Let's talk about how you can remove hard inquiries from your credit report. Unfortunately, despite what you may have heard, there's no easy way to remove a legitimate hard inquiry from your credit report. Now, like we said earlier, they'll go away on their own. But what if you need an emergency loan? If the hard inquiry is an error, then you can file a dispute with the credit bureaus. If you're successful, they'll remove it from your report and your credit score will immediately recover. But why are there incorrect inquiries on your report? There are 3 reasons why. 1. Someone, somewhere, made an innocent mistake. Maybe they confused you with someone else. Hey, it happens. 2. A company ran a hard inquiry without your consent. Or 3, the most frightening reason, an identity thief opened new credit under your name. If you know for a fact that the hard inquiry shouldn't be on your report, you can take steps to remove it. But before that, if you think you've been a victim of identity theft, immediately freeze your credit and file a report at identitytheft.gov. You should also change your passwords and contact your lenders, credit card issuers, and your bank. And now, here's how to remove hard inquiries from your report. Step 1. Check your credit reports. To check your reports, you can contact major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Or you can get your reports from annualcreditreport.com. You can find a link in the video description below. It'll take about 2 weeks to get your report. Once you do, read through it and look for suspicious activity, like inquiries from lenders you don't recognize. Step 2. Contact the lender. If you find a hard inquiry that you think isn't legitimate, contact the creditor responsible. Explain the situation and ask them to remove the inquiry from your report. If this works, it will allow you to avoid filing a formal dispute with the credit bureaus. Make sure you clarify which hard inquiry you want to remove. Give the creditor the date it appears on your report and any other identifying details you can. Step 3. File a dispute with the credit bureaus. If your creditor won't remove the inquiry, contact the credit bureaus and file a formal dispute. There's a link to a free dispute letter in the description below. Be sure to take a look. Now you can either file your dispute online or by sending an actual letter through the mail. If you find your dispute by mail, keep a copy for your records. Doing so provides you with documentation, which makes it easier to take legal actions later if you need to. Also, attach any other documents that will help make your case. For example, you can include an identity theft report, supporting document from your creditor, and bank statements. You won't get these documents back, so send copies, not the original. And finally, step 4, wait. The credit bureaus are required to resolve your dispute within 30 to 40 days. They'll correct your records if the hard inquiry was a mistake or if they can't verify it. If they reject your claim, consider getting help from a non-profit credit counselor. They may be able to help you with your claim or with repairing your credit in general. The National Foundation for Credit Counseling is a non-profit company that offers inexpensive credit counseling. It's a good resource if you need help. Once again, we'll provide a link to their website in the description. And there you have it, 4 steps for removing illegitimate hard inquiries from your credit report. Now, you may have heard someone being able to remove all hard inquiries from the credit report in 24 hours. That is not accurate. Nobody can help you improve your credit overnight. These things take time. Unfortunately, if the inquiry is real, you're kind of stuck with it for a while. But don't worry, the overall effect on your credit will be small. Until next time, bye!
To take the next step on your financial journey, watch these videos.